Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to PPF this rear door. So first step is cleaning. Make sure you clean properly all the edges. Now we apply the soap and water. Make sure you apply plenty. We're positioning the PPF over the door. Spray the soap and water also on top. Now we can start squeezing from the top just below the recess. Make sure you don't leave any water into the recess. Going bit by bit, slowly taking the water out. Same with the top recess. Take your time and do it slowly. Then we can carry on taking the rest of the water out. Make sure you don't force the PPF, lift a little bit. Now we're gonna trim the top edge. Make sure you take all the water out and then you wipe the panel. Now we're gonna make the holes in the handle area. We're gonna spray some soap and water behind the PPF, and with the help of a steamer we're gonna start make it stick. Don't make it too hot, just the normal temperature of the steamer, probably like 60 degrees. Now we can trim all around the door edge. Make sure you cut on the opposite side, so we leave that little bit of extra just to cover the door edge. Now with the help of the steamer we can stick the extra PPF around the door edge. Once we've done it, we can wipe it and the door is finished.